Founded in Switzerland in 1912, Holcim is one of the world's leading suppliers of cement and aggregates such as crushed stone, sand and gravel. Holcim employs around 80,000 people in production sites in 70 countries and has a market presence on all continents. Apart from its core products, the company also manufactures and distributes related construction materials such as ready-mix concrete and asphalt. Additionally, it offers consulting, research, trading and engineering services. In this distribution centre, strategically located in the Belgian port of Antwerp, materials are received, stored and shipped to customers. Seagoing vessels with capacities up to 40,000 tonnes arrive at this terminal, where materials such as cement, fly ash as well as finished products are unloaded. Vacuum air is used to convey these materials to the storage silos. The silos each have a 10,000 tonne capacity. From here, stored material is transported to ships or to the truck distribution point from where trucks are loaded. At this site, compressed air conveys up to 180 tonnes per hour to and from the storage silos in a cost-efficient way. Compressed air is also used for fluidization. The right mix of air and cement particles ensures the required fluidity for easy conveying and to prevent clogging of the silos and pipes.
All transportation of the materials as well as obtaining the right fluidity is done by compressed air. In case of a shutdown of the compressed air system, 80% of all our operations will come to an immediate end. The reliability of the compressors is of vital importance.
To ensure a trouble-free operation, air quality is of paramount importance. A consistent flow rate minimizes the risk of blockage of the material, while the correct temperature and dew point prevent condensation, avoiding quality and extraction problems.
We were looking for an optimal balance between safety, cost and volume. After a market study, Atlas Copco was the best option. The ZT4 VSD compressor with an integrated aftercooler and volumes up to 3,000 cubic meters per hour was ideal for our process. The built-in frequency converter avoids excessive volumes and pressure, reducing safety risks and energy consumption. Compression heat is recovered to heat up the workplace for additional energy savings.
As a leading compressed air provider and consultant with many decades of experience, Atlas Copco offers global service with a local touch. The reliability of products and services and a committed sales force have cemented a solid partnership between Holcim and Atlas Copco, contributing to Holcim's sustainable productivity.